Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about JavaScript string methods. Previously we have already discussed about what is a string, in how many ways we can create a string and all we seen. So let us discuss about the string methods in this session. So here is I have a string which is nothing but JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript the string. I written something like. So before going to the method we have one property called length property. So the same property we can see in arrays as well. So by using this length property we can find the length of a string. What is the length of a string? Here guys, it will include spaces also. By including spaces, it will give you the length of the string. Welcome to JavaScript. Maybe it will give you somewhere around 21 characters including spaces also. Right, so length, this is length finding. Here next thing, let us move to methods. Here I want to discuss about three methods now. So indexOf and lastIndexOf, these are the methods important for interviews. They will ask us differences between these three methods. Such we have three methods. Let us see how these methods are going to work on the string. So indexOf and lastIndexOf methods we already seen in arrays. So what is the behavior we seen there? The same will applicable on strings also. Let us discuss about one by one. So first I want to work with indexOf here. IndexOf. So it will nothing but guys, by using this method here we can find the position. Nothing but we can find the position of a string if it exists in the array. If it is not there, it is going to return -1. Let us see. str.indexOf. Just I want to find one character or string. You can pass anything here. Just I am passing one thing, one string, nothing but 2 I am passing. Let me check it. Just I am printing and see the output of it. So if it is available, it will tell you the position, maybe from 8th position. Remember, string index starts with 0. This is the first, W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Space is also. After that, 8. At 8th position, the character 2 was there, guys. Like this, we can find the position. In the same manner, for example, if you have 2 or 3 times, for example, welcome to JavaScript 2 by hello, something like I am writing something called hello to something. I taken a string here, but here 2 was repeated 3 times. Then what indexOf will do? indexOf will give you only first occurrence only. Now I have another method called lastIndexOf. Let us see how this lastIndexOf method is going to work here. So the name itself, it is saying that last index. So it is going to find the last occurrence of the string. At what position it was occurred lastly. So can you see, this is the last occurrence of the string, guys. So what is the position? Maybe 30 or 32, somewhere around, right? Some syntax error missing. Yeah, so comment is removed. Comment should be removed here, right? As I refresh it, last position is 34. Somewhere around the string was available. Last occurrence. Sir, how can we find the middle occurrences here? So we don't have any option here. We have to write our own logic. How many times the specific word is available in the string. Otherwise, if we have any method, we have to check it. So how to find the word count? Word count is different, but here we need to get the specific string. How many times it was repeated in a string. So that we need to write our own logic here. Now, so let us go with the search method also. Console.log str.search, SEARCH. In this search method also I am passing 2. So if we can pass 2, what is our output then? So definitely guys, you can get the same output, nothing difference is here. So what is indexOf method is giving, the same output will be come by search method also. Then what is the difference between these two methods? indexOf and search method both are doing same. Last index is different behavior, it is finding the last occurrence, but whereas search and indexOf doing is same. But here one small difference is there, guys. Whereas in indexOf we can pass the second parameter also. This is indexOf. Then can you see here, I am taking comma 10. Then what is the meaning of it? It is searching for 2 from 10th position in the string. 10th position means, I think so, from here it has to search for the thing. What is the first occurrence in this situation? This is the occurrence, right? So then it will give you that position, guys. Now can you see, at 22 position that was there, but it is finding from, this is starting point. from 10th position you have to start search for the word to or character or anything guys here, right? Whereas in search method we can't pass second, I mean even though if you can pass second parameter it can't process some. For example, I'm going to give you 10. So if this is giving the position of 22, but this won't give you, this will give you only 8th position. I mean search method does not process starting, I mean from the particular position. Second parameter, even though if you can pass, it can process it, whereas indexOf method expects second parameter as well. So this is the difference between search, index and lastIndexOf methods. Now we have another method called concat method. This is very important method, concatenation. We already know how can we concatenate. By using plus operator also we can concatenate. If we can apply plus operator in between two strings, that is going to be concatenated one by one. Let us see both ways how can we concatenate by using concat method as well as plus operator. Here I have three strings. So I want to concatenate by these three strings by using concat method. concat is a method. So here first you have to start with str dot or any variable you can take, no problem. Concat of str1. Just I'm going with str1. See the output of it. What is our output will be here. Just I want to print it on the screen and see the output of it, and if you can refresh, your output will be welcome JavaScript. They are concatenated each other. How can we join multiple strings then? If you want to join multiple strings, so here simply in the concat method separate with comma and str2. This you can take here. Now it is going to given the go PHP also. Now it is concatenated. If you want to concatenate with other string also, you can just simply call welcome again. Now you can see it will be concatenated again. So this is how we can concatenate multiple strings. If you just want to concatenate two or more strings, this is the method guys, concatenation. How can we concatenate those three strings? By using plus operator, or else here you want to maintain some separator here. So you want to maintain some separator here. Yes, we can take some separator comma, because earlier we seen but there is no space, they are all combined. So now I want to maintain some space here. Space is also a character, so I want to take something like this guys. Is it okay now? So now it is going to see this is, I want to write something called welcome to JavaScript. Alright, second one is JavaScript by something like that. I am writing something like, then what is going to happen? To is a string and by is a string. We concatenated almost all 5 strings. str concatenating with 2 and str1 and by and str2. So now you can refresh it. You can see the string in a proper manner. Welcome to JavaScript by go PHP. Right. In the same manner, let us use the plus operator. If you want to use plus operator, nothing else here. str plus str1 plus str2. That's it. This is concatenation. So you are joining those three strings by using plus operator. Now if you can refresh it simply, so check it the output here. Now you can get the same output. Earlier we seen an output, right? Yeah, I'm getting welcome JavaScript go PHP. This is also concatenated. Here if you want, you can do one more thing guys here. What is that is, you want to separate this. Yes, you can separate with something like this by using concatenation operator. Here space is also a character, right? Welcome to JavaScript. Here also plus. So in between two variables, if you want to join a string, you have to add the plus operator before and after. Right. Now here I just want to go with the by. Now you can see the output will be proper. Both are same. You can use anyone, whichever you are flexible, just you can go. Especially plus is used as concatenation operator in JavaScript in between the two strings. If you are using for numbers, okay, it will sum the numbers guys. For example, 10 plus 10 20, it will get automatically. But when you are working with the strings, be careful with the plus operator. It is going to be concatenated here. Next methods guys here. So here we can go with another method. We have something called slice, substring, some methods, and one more is substr, slice, slice, and substring, substring, and one more is substr. These are the methods we have, and this is also very important for interview. They will ask us the differences between these methods. right? So how can we use these methods on a string and all? Let us check. Let me take a string here again. Welcome to JavaScript. Same string I am taking here. So how to apply slice method on it, guys? Slice method expects two parameters. One is, both are positions only, nothing but one is start position and one more is the end position. So whatever the position you are giving here, from this starting position you will get the end position up to, but end position is not get, guys. Before that only you will get, I mean end position is omitted here actually. Exactly, if you can give 10 here, up to 9 you will get the things, right? So I mean, let us apply the same on the string. For example, nothing but we can extract the string, we can extract the portion of a string by using this method, right? So small portion of the string I want to get it, right? So let us apply str slice. Slice is nothing but cutting. The meaning itself, it is saying that cut the string, right? Whatever you want, you can cut the, you can select the portion. This is, I'm just giving 5. I'm passing only one parameter. Then what is going to happen? So fifth position. So this is position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such a manner, right? So it is going to get the string from the particular position. So console.log, just let me print it and see the output on the screen. So it will get the string from the fifth position. Now you can refresh it and remaining string is coming from the fifth position, exactly up to 5. So 5 from 5, actually m is in the 5 position, guys. So from the fifth position it is getting the things, guys. You can count this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. M is 5. So from the fifth position you will get the remaining string. For example, now you can see I am giving this as a welcome to something. Second parameter also I'm applying. If you are giving only one parameter, from that position it will get the remaining string. Now I'm giving this as a 5, 10. I mean 5 is also position and 10 is also position. So we know that already 5, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, it has to 10, right? Up to 10, I don't know. Maybe here it will be METO. So let us see the output of it. So we are getting the same, guys. METO. So this is nothing but the position. This is start position M and end position is 10. So what is maybe end position? Maybe up to here, maybe end position will be there. Let us select this all region. So if we can select, this is going to be 11 selected. So maybe up to here we are getting, guys. Up to here we are getting. So this is what the 5 to 10 position. So this is slice method. But whereas you can pass some negative indexes also, guys. Here let me check it. What is I'm giving you here? I'm giving you minus 10. Can you see? If I pass minus value, it will check from in this direction. So negative way. So if it is a negative way, you will get JavaScript. Can you see what is the output here? Definitely the reverse way is JavaScript, guys. So in the JavaScript it will find the negative way. Why? Because so we know up to here 10, right? So up to here 10 and here this is also 10 maybe. So now you can give minus 8 then. So you can understand this will be up to here, I'm thinking. So let us refresh it. So VA script, something like the same we are getting, guys. Minus 8, if you can give reverse direction, always you can calculate, right, in reverse manner. Reverse manner means this is what exactly, this is how it will come here. So this is 1, 2, 3, something like that, but you have to think about in a negative manner, right? If you can use negative indexes, it will come from reverse direction, I mean right side. If you can use some positive index, it will positive index, it will come from left side, guys. This is left side evaluation. This is how it will work, right? So in the same manner, I am giving you here, all of you check it carefully, minus 10 comma minus 6. Then what is my output? This is minus 10 actually. This is minus 10. Up to here you maybe get, I am thinking. So Java. So because minus 6 if you can consider. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that minus 6. This is minus 6 and we know that this is 10 exactly. Let me refresh it. You may get Java something like, yes, we are getting Java. Right, this is how it is going to be evaluated. I mean here we can pass some negative values also, whereas next method I want to tell you about substring method. But the difference is both are same, guys. What slice method is doing, substring method also will do the same, but the only difference is here substring method never accept negative values. So slice method accepting negative values. Let us see here str dot substring, substring, and pass the same, guys. I'm passing this earlier like this. I'm passing 5 comma 10. If you can pass 5 comma 10, then we are getting something me and 2, right? The same we seen earlier. Let me see, and let us use substring method here. Yeah, so we are getting the same output here. So if I pass some negative value, can I get anything here? Let us go with some negative value. -10 I am giving. If we can give -10, so are you getting? No, you are not getting anything. You are getting the complete string. So this is not we are expecting, right? The same if we can apply with the slice method, we got something, my JavaScript we got. So but here negative indexes are not going to work, guys. Always we have to have positive values here. Negative index if we can pass. That is also this is also having start and end point. Both are should be start and ending point. Both should be positive values, not negative values. But whereas slice method can accept negative values as well as positive values. That is the only difference between slice and substring. Both methods are same. Nothing difference is there here. Both methods are for extracting a specific portion of a string or getting a specific portion of a string, guys. Here next we have one more method called substring. Can you observe the difference here? I don't want to explain. See the difference and you will understand. str dot substring. So what is the difference between this? I am giving you just here let us give 2. I'm just giving only one parameter. If I give only one parameter, see the output of it. From 2 it will get the remaining string, guys. So what is our output here? From 2, position 2. So if we can refresh L, it is starting from L, comes something like this JavaScript. Now I am giving this as a, all of you check it carefully, 2 comma 10. What is this? Here earlier you passed something in the substring and slice, that is start position, and this is end position. But here, guys, 2 is the position and 10 is the length, guys. I mean, from second position we want to get a 10 characters. Second position means this is second position. From here I need to get 10 characters. But earlier is 10 is position. Now this is not position. Now this is going to be the length. So now you can see up to 10. From 2 to 10, guys. From second position to you want to get 10 characters. For example, I want to give this as a 100. What is the meaning of it? From second position you want to get 100 characters. Let us refresh it. So we don't have 100 characters from second position, but how many of there they will come, guys? Can you see the complete string is coming? So it doesn't show any error, guys. So you can give a number more than this is also no problem, but how many characters are there from the second position, the remaining will be going to be written here. This is what the substring method. So the difference of these 3 methods is, guys, all of you check it carefully. Here slice and substring methods are used for all the 3 methods. Are purpose is same, but their behavior is different. So slice method can accept negative values, substring method can't accept negative values, whereas substring is different. Substring have 2 parameters. One is position, second parameter is the length of it. For example, in this, if I pass some negative value, let us go with -2 then. So if we can pass -2, just I'm giving you -2. -2 means, can you see argument list? We have to pass 2 parameters now. -2 comma, okay, -10 comma -6, something like I'm passing 2 parameters I passed here. So let us refresh it. Some after something is wrong, missing. Oh, one parenthesis is missed, guys. Here actually 2. Okay, let us give only one parameter and let us check it here. Negative value I passed here. Can you see the same output I am getting there? Now you can give here -10 comma -6. Then what is going to happen? Earlier you got Java, right? Here -10 to 6 characters you will get now, right? So in the last situation, if I apply the same, what you got, so that is also position. So this is 10th position in reverse direction. This is also position, but here this is not position, this is length here. So now you can see you have to get something 6 character, sorry. So negative index is accepted for this method. Let me check once again. I think for this method we can pass both values as negative. Let me pass here 2, then you can check the output may be something like it is giving something called SC. If I pass both the negative values, it is not working properly. So let us check it. 6 comma -5 I given, we are not getting any output here. Let me use some positive value, then you are getting the output -6, 10 something if I give. So we are getting something called output. So maybe one negative value if we can pass, it may works properly, or else let me take something called, this is 6 comma -10. Let me take this is second parameter is negative. Now we are not getting, guys. At least one parameter you have to pass as a negative value. So but it's not the second parameter. If you can pass the first parameter, then it will work. But if you can take -6, it is giving the output, but second parameter should be some positive value maybe, right? Okay, in the next thing we are going to discuss some other methods, guys. Here we have a method called replace. What this replace method will do, for example, here I am writing welcome to PHP. I want to replace this PHP with JavaScript, so you can write str dot what you want to replace. I want to replace PHP. So this is what I want to replace with what you want to replace. That is going to be the second parameter here. So I want to go with something called JavaScript. Now can you see what actual string is welcome to JavaScript, sorry, welcome to PHP. Now we are replacing that PHP with JavaScript here. Let us print it. Now what is the string? You have welcome to PHP. Now see the output here. If it is replaced, it is going to be welcome to JavaScript. So the string was replaced here, guys, here. So this is how we can replace. Sometimes I have a small doubt here. I'm taking this as a small PHP. Is it going to work? Actually the string available as in capital letters. Now I'm taking this as a in small letters. Will it work? No, I think so it won't work. It will be welcome to PHP only. The case is different. How we are able to see in the string, we have to take the same manner, whatever it may be, but I want to match it, guys. So then what you can do, you can use something called regular expression such a manner. Here we can take slash and I stands for here case insensitive. Now you can check it carefully. It has to replace it, guys. Yes, sorry, is it replaced here? I think it is not replaced. 1 minute, let me check it. I mean that string may be either uppercase or lowercase. I think it is not required in this situation. These quotes may be. 1 minute please, let me remove these quotes and let me check it. Just refresh it. It will work, guys, in this regular expression situation, right? So later sessions we will see regular expressions also. What is slash, what is I here, case sensitive. So the string may be either in lowercase, either in uppercase. I have to replace it. So in this situation we can go it, or else exactly you want to pass the same case, then you can use the simple one. Otherwise, whatever the case it may be, either that string may be either in lowercase or either in uppercase. Yes, I want to replace it, then we can go with the regular expression, guys. So the later sessions we will see regular expressions also. This is also very important for us. Regular expressions play a key role, right? So later we have some more methods, guys, here. 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase. This is common method. str.to uppercase. Let us have a method. 2 uppercase is a method. Then what is going to happen? String will be converted into all the string. Some of the characters are lowercase, some of the characters are here uppercase. Now if we can apply this, string will be converted into uppercase letters. Can you see now? And refresh the page and you can get the welcome to PHP. Everything is in capital letters. In the same manner you can go one more method we have here. 2 lowercase, LOWER, 2 lowercase, apply the same, then the string is going to be converted into all lowercase letters. But actually your string contains some of them capital letters, some of them are small letters. PHP is completely capital. In welcome, W is capital. But what this method is doing, it is completely converting into uppercase, it is completely converting into lowercase, guys. These are the uppercase and lowercase methods we have. Next method, trim method. So how can we trim the data? I mean empty spaces from the string left hand side and right hand side. For example, this is a string. So you entered a string like this in the text box with the spaces. I collected it, but while it is saving data into database, we have to filter it, nothing but we have to clean the empty spaces and all. So in this situation, let me print it first of all. Console.log, we have something called str. Yes, just I'm going to print it. Can you see here in the console, it is printing with the spaces. Can you see? It is selected with the spaces. Now I want to remove the spaces. To do this, str.trim is a method. .trim is a method. So what is going to happen? It is going to remove the empty spaces from both ends, left hand side and right hand side. If you have empty spaces in the middle, it can't, guys. It will remove only left and right side spaces only. If we have in the middle, we have to write our own logic to remove it. Right now, can you see? There is no empty spaces. Earlier we have empty spaces both sides. Now we don't have any empty spaces. For example, if you have an empty space in the middle, that will carry, guys. Here if you can see, trim method can't remove it. Can you see here we have an empty space here? Trim method is not going to carry this empty space. Next, one of the important method, guys, this method we can use mostly. The method is nothing but split method. What this split method will do, by using this method we can convert a string into an array. How to convert an array into string? Question will be there in interviews, guys. How can we convert an array into a string or string into an array? So if you want to convert a string into an array, we have to use split method. Now you can see I have three words in my string. I want to separate these words, guys. So as an array, split, what you want to split? Str dot split, and what? So there is some separator should be there. I'm using space because every string is separated with space, right? Now what is going to happen? You can see an array. So this will convert the string into an array by separating with space we given. So now you can just see the output here. Syntax error, invalid unexpected token. What is my wrong thing? Yeah, here quote is missed, guys. Here string should be ends with a double quote, right? Yes. Let us refresh the same and check the output here. So can you see this is created an array? This is what an array here we have array. So how can we convert a string into an array? You can take any string here. You can take some special characters also. For example, I'm taking 10 hash 20 hash 30 hash 40. So now what is the separator between the numbers here? Hash is the separator. Let me apply hash separator here. You can check it. So the array contain numbers, guys, here. So like this also we can split that. Nothing but how can we convert a string into an array? By using split method. This is very important method. This is, and for example, if we have an array, I have an array here. So how can we convert this array into a string? So arr equal to, you can take an array here. So here I am taking some values here, hello and hi. So this is what the array. This array contains two values. I want to convert this into string. So how can we convert this array into string? We have arr.toString method is there, right? So by using this method we can convert an array into a string. Now remember, both methods are important for us. In interviews they will ask us a question, how to convert a string into an array, how to convert an array into a string, maybe. So this is going to be exactly the same, guys. Hello and hi is going to be string now, right? So here you can check it for the confirmation. Here you can go console.log, just you can use type of keyword so that you will understand what exactly this arr. So here arr is going to be an object. Yes, here is an object. After that I am converting this into string. Let us write the same here also, whether it is converted or not. For the confirmation, just I am writing this type of arr after array.toString. Can you see? Sorry. String is also an object, maybe. That's the reason it is giving you, I think. So, or else let us take it into a variable. Take this into a variable where x equal to something like this, right? Type of x I want to just find. After converting, I am saving that into a variable. Maybe it is going to return something. So let us check the same. So here I have syntax error, unexpected token. What is wrong here? So here I need to remove this and refresh the same again. Yeah, this is string now. So that was converted, this array.toString was converted into string and it was saved into a variable. Just I'm checking the type of it, guys. This is how converting an array into a string and a string into an array by using toString and by using split method. We can do this job, guys. What is split method is doing? Split method is converting a string into an array. toString method is converting an array into a string. This is one more method we have. Here I have one more method, guys. This method I want to discuss in regular expressions. This is better way we can understand there. That is nothing but the match method. So by using this match method, we can match the regular expression whether the specific string you entered is matched with the specific pattern or not. In regular expression, I will explain you very clearly about this match method. Yes, guys. Yeah, these are the methods, guys. Some of the methods are still there, but we have to check through the manuals also, but these are the methods which are very important for interviews as well as real time, guys, right? So let us discuss date library in the next session. Thank you, guys. If you have any doubts, let us discuss.